If you're experiencing issues with your dishwasher door slamming shut or getting stuck, the IMM Dishwasher door cable replacement is a reliable and cost-effective solution. Before diving into the details, it's important to note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out for the best deal. This replacement cable is compatible with a range of popular dishwasher brands including Electrolux, Frigidaire, Gibson, Kelvinator, and Westinghouse, making it a versatile option for many households. Constructed from durable plastic and nylon, the cables are designed to withstand daily wear and tear, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. One of the standout features is the pack of 2 cables, which allows you to replace both sides of your dishwasher door simultaneously. This balanced approach helps prevent uneven door movement and future problems, giving your appliance a smoother operation. Installation is straightforward and requires no special tools, making it accessible even for those with limited DIY experience. Simply swap out the old cables, and your dishwasher door should function like new. On the downside, while the cables fit a wide range of models, including parts 154578801, AP39587767, 1196201, H1524995, EA1524995, and PS1524995. It's crucial to verify compatibility with your specific dishwasher model before purchasing. Additionally, those unfamiliar with appliance repairs might find the replacement process a bit challenging without guidance, though numerous online tutorials can assist. Overall, this replacement cable pack offers a practical and durable fix for common dishwasher door issues. Remember, the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment, so don't miss out on the savings.